Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we're just gonna get straight into the video, and I'm gonna start first with my brows, and I'm using my my NYX Love Contours All palette, and I'm using that brow shade to just do my brows. Then I'm going in with my concealer, and this is ColourPop in Dark 56 mixed with LA Girl in Fawn. But I really use most of the ColourPop Dark 56 because I wanted like my natural skin complexion, because I am kind of starting to believe that I should be using my concealer shade, not a shade lighter, just the correct shade, my concealer shade. So as you can see, I added all of the concealer, adding some to the top of my brows to just make it, a little bit more, snatched. And pretty much that's it. Then I'm going in with my concealer blending brush from Sylyne, and I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm going to use some pressed powder and to fade out the front. These are all the brushes that I will be using. So let's get into the video. From the Saharan 2 palette, this one. I think this is Fez. Add that color right here. This is going to be like the transition shade, so let's blend that. We're just going to pack it first, and then later on we'll blend it. So just packing the product, I can pack it straight up into my brows if I want. Later on when I'm blending, I just fade it out a little bit. So we just add that right here. I'll keep this space nice and blank to really define and pronounce the brows. So finish with that. Now we're gonna go in with another blending brush. This is a MAC dupe 221 brush. It's a dupe from Aliexpress, or actually DHgate. I got it from DHgate. Gonna go in with this brush, and I'm going to go in with this nice black. Yes, we're just gonna add that now to this area. Do you see that, guys? Very black. So basically using my brush now to kind of blend it further up, and I'm not adding any more product because I don't want it to look, crazy. Where is it? I'm gonna go in with the same brush that we used to add the concealer to just blend out the edges a little bit. Using my brush now to kind of blend it further up, and I'm not adding any more product because I don't want it to look, crazy. I'm going to add this black liner to my waterline. So I'm just going to use my fingers, this one, to just pull down my eyes a bit, and then use my hand to just it tickles, like for real. Now we're going to go in with this brush now, and we're going to go in with the black to just give it a nice little smoke out effect. The Flare liner from Aliexpress. And you have to really be careful because the brush is not so tiny. Okay guys, so this is the eyes. I think I'm done. I'm gonna go in with my, so guys, I went in with the NYX Stay Matte but not flat. Put a little bit right here, and I just blended everything out on my face. Put a little bit more here. And I really love this foundation, guys. It's so nice. I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I basically mixed my ColourPop in Dark 52 So Colourpop Dark 52 and LA Girl Fawn, just because I wanted kind of daytime, you know, look. And I'm just gonna use this brush to just add it right here. This is a concealer brush, the same one that I used to do my eyebrows. And we're just going to pack all of that. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of reverse contouring. And this is it. I'm gonna use my concealer blending brush now to just blend out everything. And we're just going to start blending from early, just cause this concealer, the Colourpop, it dries super fast. Okay, going in with my foundation brush now to just blend out here a little. Reverse contouring. So I kind of want to blend it out a little before it really dries. Okay, and then I'm gonna start blending over here. Going in to blend out the nose. Going in with the brush to just blend out the top. Alright, so now I'm going to set everything. And I'm going to go in with my Coty Airspun mix with my Colourpop. This. Yeah, it's not really black opal. My black opal is somewhere in my room and I don't want to go for it. So I'm going to use this powder puff. And then take them some down the nose. Hold on. Okay, nice and finish. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to use my black opal finishing powder in dark. I'm just gonna set the areas, the rest of the face actually. I'm gonna use this brush just because I don't want my face to be messy. Perfect. See? Look at that. And it gets right into the temples. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna use what am I gonna use? I'm gonna be using this brush to just add some of the same powder from the black opal, and I'm just going to contour my nose a bit right here. I'm gonna use this shade to contour a teeny bit more. I started the contour because my battery died. I have to get like a battery to, you know, just in case my battery dies while I'm filming, I can have a spare battery. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this color from this 8 color palette, this one. And we're just going to kind of contour here. I started, guys, so don't worry. Okay, so we're just blending out the reverse contouring a little bit. Oh, and I kind of went in with Taza
this color from the Saharan 2 palette, this one. And I just basically tap it right here, just warming up my face a bit. Nice sun kiss kind of vibe. And then that should be it. Now we're gonna go in with our highlighter, and as you know, or as you've been knowing, what am I saying? I've been loving my Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer in Rock On Whirl fan brush, guys. Yes, I don't know, I just decided to go back to my fan brush, or I've been using my fan brush for quite some time, and I'm loving it. Oh craps, I think I kind of went in with a little bit too much. Okay, I'm just gonna blend out that. Oh, I love this highlighter, guys. Gosh. Oh, I went in with a lot. Oh my gosh. Wee. Let me just go over it with the powder. I'm gonna go over that with my pressed powder because it's a lot. It is a lot. No, it's ready. Too much. Okay, this is a lot. I mean, it looks nice on camera, but in real life, it's too much. Oh my gosh. This one is the perfect amount of glow, but this one is a little bit too much. Alright, so now we're gonna take some of the same highlight above our brow bone right here. Oh guys, and I went in with my highlighter down my nose bridge right here. Yeah, I was just like observing my face recently, and I'm like, oh, I have 3 beauty spots right here. It's pretty weird, but yeah. So I'm like, but it's nice, I like it. I shouldn't cover it with makeup, so I'm bringing it back, especially since this beauty spot, it's kind of like a mole. So whenever I put on foundation and I look at my skin, I can literally see like a bump. I don't want to see that, so this is why I'm doing that. Now we're gonna line the lips. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am really loving it. Really loving it, guys. Really loving it. Thank you so much for watching. You are the OGs. Don't forget, Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, and occasionally Thursdays, Sundays I post. So see you in the next one.